Alright guys, so in this video we're checking out the Foxeer Razer Pico. This is the fourth in the Razer series. I guess there's the original Razer, the Micro Razer, Nano Razer, and now the Pico Razer. This is 12 millimeters by 12 millimeters in the dimensions. No mounting holes as you would get on the Nano version, which is 14 by 14 millimeters. And what you get here is a weight reduction. It's down to 1.65 grams is what they're reading this at, and it has an M7 lens, 1.8 millimeters. I believe it's got the same sensor as the other Razer cameras, 1200 TV lines, but now because of the size limitation here, you can't change any of the settings, so it comes in four versions, 16.9.4.3 version, and NTSC PAL version, so you'll have to get one of those combinations. This particular one that I'm reviewing is a 16.9 with a NTSC version, and I actually want to test the 4.3 version because that has a wider field of view than this one. The 16.9 versions have a 145 degree field of view, and the 4.3 version has a 160 degree field of view, so you're going to get a little bit more vertical field of view on the 4.3 version of this camera. Alright, so let's see what this weighs on my scale. And it's about 2 grams on my scale, so I think they're probably not accounting for the weight of this rather long connector here. I suppose if you cut that off, you can probably get the weight down to the 1.65 grams, but I think most people are probably putting this into like a tiny whip or something like that, and I imagine they'll probably cut the wire off here at some point and then direct solder to their flight controller or video transmitter. But this connector is there if you need it, and if you're going to put in something bigger. You can see there's 3 connectors there. There's no connector for changing settings. It's a 3.8 to 16 volt voltage range, which is kind of amazing for these little nano cameras. Usually just 5 volts or like something like 4.5 to 5.5 volts usually, but now you're getting a wider voltage range in these tinier cameras now. Alright, so we'll take a quick look at the image here on the PowerPlay DVR, and you can get a sense of the field of view. It's not bad for 16.9. You can see the bottom of the desk there and the lights. Usually in this position on a 16.9 camera, you can either see the bottom of the desk or the lights, not both. It's usually only on a 4.3, and very wide field of view horizontally. So I imagine the 4.3 version of this camera is going to have an even wider field of view vertically. So if you guys are looking for a super wide field of view vertically, then this camera might be for you. Now again, there's no way to change the settings, so there's no way to actually look at them here. So we'll get right to the footage. I'll go ahead and show you my standard park flight, and also I'll link down in the description additional footage from this DVR. I guess some sunny, some nighttime, low light footage, etc. like that. Again, the Razer camera does have a pretty good low light image, although this lens is a lot smaller, so it's probably not going to be as good as the one with the super large Razer, the full-size Razer with the M12 lens, so something to keep in mind. But here's all the footage for you. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.